Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about some of the essential apps that you should download on your Amazfit Bip 6, and I'll be sharing some of my favorite apps later in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. The first app that I want to talk about is called Breathe, and you can download it from the Zepp App Store. Now if you go in Breathe, you basically get three options. There is relax, sleeping and focus. Now if you go in relax, you can change the duration of this breathing exercise from 1 to 5 minutes. And then you can also change breaths per minute from 6 to 8. And then if you tap on start, it will show you some instructions that you can follow, and then it will start the breathing process. And every inhale and exhale is accompanied by vibrations of the watch, so you know when to start and when to stop. Similarly, if we go in sleeping, you have again duration that you can change, and then when you'll tap start, it will tell you exactly what to do for this meditation, and then you can follow the vibrations to follow along. And then similarly we have focus. Again, you can change the duration and then start. Next app that I want to talk about is the reminders app that you can set up for yourself. So if we go into the apps, you will see this app called Remind Me. You can again download it from the Zepp App Store. Now if you go in here, you can add different items. So the first one is you can add the name, and you can type it using the keyboard on the watch, and the name will appear here. Then you can select the type, whatever it is that you want to do. Let's say we want to do food stuff, so you can confirm that, and then you can select the time, select the expiration date, reminder time, and then you can save this. So I have to select the expiration date for this, so let's do that, and then you can save it, and this reminder will be saved, and you know exactly what this is related to. This is related to the food stuff. And then you can also go in your stats and see different reminders near expiration, not expired, and expired. If you travel between different time zones or countries regularly, you can download this world clock app as well. So again, from the Zepp App Store you can download it, and if you go in here you will get some predefined cities and countries, but you can tap on the plus button, and from here you can select any other country and add that to your world clock, and then you'll have different time zones and different cities around the world available on your watch. You can also download an app that helps you control your Spotify from Amazfit Bip 6. So if we go in the apps, there's this app called Remotify. So you need to download Remotify on the watch, and then also you need to download Remotify on the phone and then give it access to your Spotify. But once you've done that, you can then access your playlists and all the basic functions from this Remotify app. So from here you can play, you can go forward, go back, like it, change the volume, and then if you swipe to the left you can go in playlists. Now this isn't exactly replicating your Spotify setup, but you can make do with it. So if you go in recents, you will find your recents playlists. So if you go in here, so for example this is the deep focus playlist, and now here is the caveat. If you tap on any one of the songs from here, it will ask you to buy the premium version, which you have to buy if you're using this app or you want to control your Spotify. But this is in case it's really important for you. Otherwise, if you are playing a song on Spotify on your phone, you can still pause it, play it, go forward and go back. From here, these features are free, you can still use them, but if you want a little bit more control, you have to buy the premium version. There is also a very good quotes app available on the Zepp App Store. So this one is called Today's Inspiring. So if you go in here, you can get a new quote every time you tap on the display, and then you can also see the author of the quote down below. So every time you'll tap on it, it will come up with a new quote. But if you swipe to the left, you can also create these reminders for quotes to be sent to your notifications, and then you can obviously turn them on or off, or even add more timings if you want. And these quotes appear with these very beautiful serene wallpapers that really inspire you. If you want to control smart devices with the Amazfit Bip 6, you can do that as well, but the setup is a little wonky. But I did manage to find an app on the Zepp App Store. It's called Home Connect. So you can download this Home Connect app, and you can go in here, and then it will tell you to log in into the Zepp app in Home Connect, and then you have to go through that setup. So if you go into the apps on your Zepp app on your phone, go in Home Connect, then you have to log in to the Home Connect app. Now once you have done that, you can then add different devices to Home Connect and they will appear here. Now obviously I don't have any smart devices connected to Home Connect. I'm just showcasing how this works. So if you have any smart devices at your home, you can try connecting them to Home Connect, and then using this Home Connect app you can try to control these smart devices in your home. Now I want to talk about some of very important and my favorite apps that I found really useful, especially for Amazfit Bip 6. So if I go in apps, there is this app called Watch Storage. Now Amazfit Bip 6 comes with just 512 MB storage, and there is no way to know how it is allocated between watch faces and apps and music and all that stuff. But you can download this app from the Zepp App Store and it shows you exactly that. So right off the bat it shows you the remaining storage. So right now 37 MBs is remaining and 408 out of 445 MB has been used. If you swipe up, it shows you that apps are taking 86 MB, music is taking 3 MB, watch faces are taking 3 MB, and system is using 316 MB. So you're starting with very low amount of storage, and this app can help you figure out how your storage resources are allocated between these different things, and then you can obviously delete some stuff if you want to download music or apps or watch faces. I think this is one of the most important apps that you can download on Amazfit Bip 6 if you want to manage your storage on this watch. Finally, the last app that I want to talk about is called Health Center, and this app basically gathers all of your health data from all of these different apps in one place. So right now we have several health apps on this watch like readiness, heart rate, blood oxygen, workout history, and a lot is going on, stress, sleep, and for all of this stuff you have to go in separate apps, or you have to go into the Zepp app on your phone to see all of this data in one place. But you can download this app called Health Center and it will present you all of this information in one place on the watch itself. So let me find this Health Center. There it is. Now if we go in here, you can see that it shows you this dashboard style, and it shows you your exercise data, distance, stand time, calories, fat burning. Swipe up, now we have stress data. If you swipe up, now we have sleep data, heart health, workout status. It provides you all of this information in one place, and it has a very nice dashboard style that you can read all the important stuff in one place related to your health. I really like this app. It's really useful to have all of this stuff in one place instead of going in different apps and gathering your data like that. So yes, these were some of the essential apps that you can download on Amazfit Bip 6 that will help you improve your productivity and enjoy using this watch as well. That's about it from this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or if you have any feedback, or you can also share any apps that you're using on Amazfit Bip 6. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.